this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect SteelSeries Arctis 7 to Android. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to set up and use your Arctis headphones or Arctis headset with any Android device. Now, I'm gonna be talking about the 7 and the 7 Plus in this video. First, I want to start with the 7 Plus. So the 7 Plus features a multi-platform dongle, as you can see here. It is this little USB-C dongle that you can plug into any available USB port on various different devices. And as you might expect, it is compatible with mobile devices, including Android. So all that you have to do is plug it into the USB-C port on your Android smartphone. Immediately upon doing this, it is going to be recognized and usable as an audio device. So all of the audio that you listen through the Android phone will now go to the Arctis 7. It is simple to set up and by far the most convenient way to get this done. Alternatively, if you have the old Arctis 7, then sadly, to my knowledge, there is no way to do this. This is because the Arctis 7 features this wireless transmitter. As you can see, it uses USB-A and not USB-C. Of course, because no phones in the market nowadays feature USB-A, what you may try to do is use an adapter. However, even with a USB-C to USB-A adapter, connecting this receiver to your phone won't achieve anything. This one is designed to be used with PCs, consoles such as PlayStation and then Mac, and because you cannot directly connect it to any mobile devices, it becomes impossible. So if you have the standard Arctis 7, you will not be able to get this done. If you want one that is compatible with mobile devices, you either need the 7 Plus or the Nova 7, which features Bluetooth. And of course, Bluetooth is natively available on any modern smartphone. So choose between these two options here. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect SteelSeries Arctis 7 to Android. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.